What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a cool truck for you today. We have a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. You see the badge and the cool interior behind me. I'm in this truck on the pad. We're about to get it started. I have all the guys in the shop kind of sweating me down right now about this truck. They don't want me to take too much time to film it, so I'm going to make it quick on this one. I'm going to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. It's that white color that looks so good. We're going to be doing a 4-inch Cognito performance kit with the Fox reservoir shocks, some 20-inch fuel wheels, and some 37-inch. I think we're doing the Toyo RT trail tires, but I may be wrong. It may be the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I'll have to go check. Anyways, this is going to be cool. We're doing also some side marker lights on this truck that are the tinted ones, so check that out as well. I don't know if I could ever get tired of seeing these trucks. The Denali Ultimates are just the nicer trim package. It's very special when I see one of these trucks every time. 2025, they did the gloss black around this and around this area of the grill. I think it looks amazing. It kind of matches that the rest of the flow of the truck. I like it. On the fenders, he has the color matched white ones already on this truck. You can either buy the truck with them, or some of the trucks come with a black, flat black plastic like fender trim right here that's not glossy or shiny like that. I can sell you these. They're about, I think the last time I sold some, it was like $760 for a set, plus like an hour of labor, which is $125 to put them on. So definitely a good addition to the truck. I love the way that the color match fender flares look. This truck's going to be awesome. We're about to get started on it right now. Like I said, we're about to put that 4-inch Cognito on, so stay tuned for the process, and I appreciate you guys watching. here we are back in the truck, and I couldn't be more excited. It is Friday afternoon, about 3:51 in the afternoon. Labor Day weekend is this weekend, and I'm getting off a little bit early today. I don't have to work tomorrow, Saturday, the day after that, Sunday, or the day after that, Monday, and this is very, very rare for me. I work a lot. I love to work. I love to film. I love these trucks. I love talking to you guys. But 3 days in a row off, I couldn't be more pumped. I'm excited. I'm probably not going to do anything. I'm probably just going to waste it, to be honest, and hang out with the kids, but couldn't be more excited about it. I come to you from inside a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. You would have just watched the video of us putting a 4-inch Cognito performance kit on it with some 37-inch Toyos and some 20-inch fuels. And the truck's amazing. My customer is here from Thomasville, Georgia today to pick the truck up. He's about to head back home. I kind of lagged back a little bit and didn't finish this video in time, so he's inside the office and I'm out here filming the video. So that's been happening a lot lately, but we've been putting out a lot of content, and I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate you guys bringing the truck. So I'm about to hop out of this truck. It is nice and cool in here, and the interior feels great, but I'm about to get out and do the hard part of the job, which is stand in the sun for like 5 or 10 minutes and talk about this truck. I hope you guys like it. I hope it's not getting repetitive. If you have any questions about this build, please feel free to reach out to me. My number here at the shop is 678-994-9180. We're in McDonough, Georgia, and this is Southern Tire. My name is Jake. Thank you. So here's our truck. It's a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. We went with the 4-inch Cognito performance lift kit. There's your cross member. Very, very good looking cross member on this truck. Has a little silver badge. Puts your axle angles just perfectly every time. No issues will ever come from that. The performance kit comes with the upper control arms right here, and it comes with the Fox reservoir shocks, the 2.0s right there. It also comes with a really cool steering brace. If you can see it right here, there's an idler arm and pitman arm support bracket that comes with the performance kit. It's a really nice upgrade for these kits. The wheel and tire that we went with is this is the Fuel Maverick in the D538. Part number, that's the matte black and milled accent finish. The tire is the 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This is a great tire, 45,000 mile warranty, super smooth, super quiet riding tire. Toyo and Nitto are the same company, so if you see me pushing both brands, that's why. The quality is about the same on both. Definitely would recommend that tire. If you have any questions about this truck, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. I think I just said that in the last clip, but we're here in McDonough, Georgia, so I appreciate you guys watching. There's a clip following, or there's a quote following this clip of this build, so if you guys have any questions about the price, just reach out.